My project is called Human Morphosis and Beyond, which was about fishes. And the idea that I'd explored through my MDP is how humans would be if they go underwater. Hi, my name is Samskriti Maheshwari. I'm pursuing fashion design from IIED and I'm graduating right now. My project is called Human Morphosis and Beyond. So this stems from my research paper, which was about fishes. And the idea that I'd explored through my MDP is how humans would be if they go underwater. So as I said, that the idea was about hybrids, and if humans amalgamate with fishes and underwater aquatic animals, what would the future of humanity be like? So that's how my project started, and that's what I've done for my MDP. This is more of a storyline and conceptual garments. So most of my sourcing has been done from Karol Bagh, which is one of the markets in Delhi. And the materials that I've used are mostly leatherite, ragzine, and the other fabrics that have been used are mesh nets, then cotton satin, cotton poplin, cotton polyester, so all of that. So there are various techniques that I've used throughout my collection, and most of the common ones are using padded shoulders and reinforced seams, which is using ribbed stitches. The first ensemble is with a larger-than-life collar using ragzine and cotton satin, and the skirt is an exaggerated version of what humans would look like if they had gills and fins. And the second look elaborates about a breathing vertebrae, which is using pleating technique, and there is a padded shoulder jacket with a mask on top. The third look is with the use of play of zippers. For my fourth ensemble, I've taken inspiration from corals, and that too has padded shoulders. And for the fifth look, there is a tail, which is my imagination of what humans would look like if they went. So most of my challenges were at the stage of taking my concept to a garment stage. It was a difficult task to understand how I should take something that is in my head to an actual form. And the challenge within this was also to understand what sort of materials did I want. So that was a constant back and forth for me. So that was another job. I'm very happy. It does feel like a dream because I'm graduating tomorrow, and I don't know how to take it all in. This is my second last day at college, and I'm very happy. I'm very excited. I think before coming at IIED, I had a lot of barriers in my own head that maybe this is not something that I can do. But after I've been here, I think I have explored more than I thought that I could ever do. So yes, it has been great. One of the key pointers that I think IIED does is learning while doing. So that has really helped me. Second of all, I think there is a lot of exposure, not only from at a national level, but also international level. I think just be at it. That's what I did in my MDP. There were times that I thought I couldn't just do it because it was just getting so hectic, but just be at it constantly, even if it's small steps at a time, just be at it.